cut some shapes. Let's do it now. Pick up Mr. Alligator.
He'll show you how.
Your fingers go down, your thumbs on top. Chomp each yummy little fishy, one at a time till the puffer fish pops. Bite, open, swim. Bite, open, swim. Now move your hand.
These fish taste grand.
Bite, open, swim. Bite, open, swim. Keep on chomping through the black line. Do not stop till the puffer fish pops. Now turn the page and move your hand. Keep his teeth up front and eat the fish again. Bite, open, swim. Bite, open, swim. Keep on chomping through the black line. Do not stop till the puffer fish pops. Bite, open, swim. Bite, open, and swim. Now move your hand.
These fish taste grand.
Bite, open, swim. Bite, open, and swim. Keep on chomping through the black line. Do not stop till the puffer fish pops. Till the puffer fish pops.